morning students, welcome back to social studies. What all we studied at previous class? We studied river valley civilization. It was a great first great civilization as well as where it was grew up. It is grew up in the river valley. In which form? It is always through the stream flowing. Where it was, in which way, or with the particular place, the places or hill or a mountain. It will be flow very streamly. Which all those places? Stream or hills. Next, everybody did this homework? Everybody? Yes. Now we'll go through see about the sources of information. What we going to see? The sources of information. Which all those archaeological sources such as ziggurats or the seals, a library source such as the epics of Gilgamesh. Yes. Now we'll see a timeline of submarine civilization. We'll see a few timeline about the sources of information. Yes, now you see this is 180. After 180, those we have to consider present days. Before 180, we have to consider what? Yes, it is also nothing but a previous years. Clear? Yes. After 180, present days. Before 180, previous years. Which all those we'll see? See, from 180 to another 80, 500 is increased. From 500 to 1000, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000. Before 500, 500 to 1000, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 2500, 3500 to 4000. Those all we considered years. AD, okay. After 180 we will consider 500 years, 1000 years, 1500 years to 2000 years. Those all is nothing but at the present years. Before 500 years, 1000 years, 1500 years, 2500 years, 3000, 3500 years, 4000 years. Those all before. See, especially before 180, whatever that years will be, those all is nothing but Mesopotamian civilization. Clear? Those all Mesopotamian civilization. Now we'll see Mesopotamian is a Greek word which means a land between river. Yes. See, between that landers there will be river. Right, those river is known as Mesopotamian. In particularly, which word we'll call it Mesopotamian? It is nothing but in the word of Greek. Clear? Yes, it lies between two rivers, the Euphrates and the Tigris. Which river? Especially Mesopotamian. Which between which river it lies? Yes, between Euphrates and the Tigris. Euphrates and the Tigris. Next we'll see ancient Mesopotamian refers to the place where humans first developed civilization in the world of history. Yes, ancient Mesopotamian refers to the place where humans first developed civilization in the world history. Yes, which all those we'll see? It is ancient Mesopotamian. Especially this ancient Mesopotamian refers to the places where that humans first developed civilization in the world of history. Yes, it is a world history because where that first human being has developed civilization of the Mesopotamian. Again we'll see it was here that people first gathering and forming a large cities, as well as in Mesopotamian we can see a first people first people gathered as well as formed a large cities, learned to write and create the government. Yes, especially in ancient Mesopotamia is the only the place where that first human developed the civilization. How they developed the civilization? In what form of they developed the civilization in the world history? It is nothing but it was there that the people first gathered. Yes, the few peoples were gathered and formed the cities, and they learned to write as well as they created the government. Those all were did in the ancient Mesopotamia. Yes, and for the reason Mesopotamia is often called the cradle of civilization. Why that cradle of civilization is called as a Mesopotamia? Because it is the place where the first human developed the civilization in the world. In which form? They created to gather, or they started to learn and write. They also formed a large cities, as well as they also created the government, so that it is called as cradle of civilization. Cradle of civilization is nothing but birthplace of civilization. Mesopotamia is the birthplace of civilization. Yes, it is situated in modern days. It was situated in which days? Modern day, especially in which? In the country of Air. Where is it? Can everybody see which is in green color? Yes, this is nothing but Air. Next we'll see the Sumerians lived the southern Mesopotamia between the Tigris and the Euphrates river in the Middle East. Especially where these both rivers were lives. These both rivers were live in the southern Mesopotamia and Middle East. Yes, where it was lived, southern Mesopotamia and Middle East. Can everybody see? See, this is Tigris and this is Euphrates. Between these both, the Iraq was lived. Clear? Yes. After the fall of Sumerian Empire, two new empires rose of the powders. They were the Babylonians in the southern and Assyrians in the north. Yes. As well as the fallen of Sumerian Empire, two new empires were came. In which form? Rose of power. Which all those? They were Babylonians. In which? In south. And Assyrian in the north. Yes. Now we'll see the Babylonians were the first to form an empire that would encompass all of Mesopotamia. Yes. It is in the form of empire that would encompass all of Mesopotamia. Yes. This was the Babylonians in the south. It was the first form on empire that would encompass all the Mesopotamia. Clear? Yes. Now we'll see the town planning. In town planning, we'll see due to the fertility soil of Mesopotamia, farming was a very successfully. In fact, people were able to cultivate surplus of the food, in which the street of Sumerian city were so narrow that a cart hardly go through them. The Sumerian houses faced away from the caudal street. Yes. As well as instead the face of caudality where families ate the children played. Yes. Each city was surrounded by walls. A permanent castle of the soldiers started in the tower at the each gate. Widely boulevard across the cities alliance by houses of the wealth. Rest of the cities were made up by narrow twisting alliances surrounded by the small flat of roof huts. It was the biggest city. It was divided into three parts: a scared area, a walled city, the outer town. Many ancient cities such as Eurocacus and you have been excavated. This explanation I'll continue on next class. Clear? Okay, students. Bye.